Hey guys, John here, and I just wanted to say, hey, what's up? We haven't talked in a few days, and I have a really cool new webinar that we are going to be doing this Thursday with my buddy Anik Singhal. Now, I'm not sure if you guys have heard of Anik, but this is him right here. He is known for making over $120 million in internet marketing. He's the CEO of Learn Company, and his whole strategy is around email marketing. Now, how many of you guys here have ever heard the phrase, the money is in the list? So guys, let me know. Hey Nabil, hey Maximiliano, hey Ulysses. How is everybody doing? Let me know where you are and where you're from, but have you guys heard the phrase, the money is in the list? So if you guys aren't aware, there's a lot of money. When people are saying the money is in the list, they're talking about email marketing. You guys may have seen there are a lot of places online. How many times have you entered in your email to various websites? How many websites have your email? Now, there's a lot of money. The reason why websites collect your email is because there's a lot of money to be made from email marketing. From marketing to people through email. And what Anik is going to show us in this Thursday's webinar is exactly how you make money from email marketing. And collecting an email is probably the easiest thing you can do. So many of you probably have collected people's emails. Hey Anas, hey Darling, hey Miguel, hey Zandre, hey Joseph, hey Shukri. Cool stuff. How's it going, guys? So I'm just looking at the chat. It's over here. But hey, Chaotic Don. So what I was going to show you guys is, so Anik's a big time guy. Now, if you haven't heard about him, Anik Singhal, he has his own Wikipedia page about him. He has a Huffington Post article about him. He's been written in big news magazines. He's been written up in Entrepreneur magazine. This is an article, How Internet Entrepreneurs Are Finding Ways to Give Back. So he's an absolutely amazing guy. And if you guys are interested in being a part of this, guys, make sure you guys register for the webinar. So let me bring up the webinar. So just make sure you click here and you guys should get access. So I'm going to get back to things, but I actually have to get on a call right now. But I just want to let you guys know, make sure you register. There should be a link below here in the description if you guys are interested in learning about how to make money through email marketing. So it's really cool. Obviously, you guys have seen, a lot of places collect emails online. It's really easy to collect people's emails. If you haven't seen any of my marketing, you'll know there's a lot of money there. So look forward to seeing you guys soon. Register for the webinar. Talk to you in